celebrate our successes and also learn from our constraint. Because even though there are successes still, but still we have constraint. So let us celebrate our successes and then look forward to our constraint so that the voices can come out. Because I wrote a book. I'm also an author and also a journalist. I wrote a book on women, that we have to break the silent voices, because still there are some voices that are silent and we want to break it so they can speak out. When they speak out, we as a nation will see the women issues and then act on it as a nation, all hands on deck, so that our women can be protected, especially our girl children.
Okay. Yeah. Pertaining to the theme this year, what is your take on that?
Yes, ending violence against women is very important, because you see that violence has many aspects. You have economic violence, the poverty. We have seen that the poverty is increasing, and many of the homes now are broken because of poverty, because the men, they cannot afford it. And when they are really battered by the system, they come back and batter us and our children. So what we want to say is that let us see how we can really address, the nation can address the issues of poverty, so that both men and women can live in harmony, in dignity, and in prosperity. And now it's both of us that we should work as partners, but not as enemies. Because really when the society is harsh and we come back home and then met all the frustration on our women and children, then it becomes harder. And then the children are really discouraged. The children cannot be brought up on the right path, because when the mother is angry, even if she is pregnant, the baby too will grow up and have a lot of psychological problems. We have seen that. And then the child is those children who become truants in society, school dropouts, and all the vices. So let us make our mothers happy. When we make them happy, then our children too will be born in a conducive environment, and all of us will benefit. Because society cannot develop when women are oppressed. And you can always gauge the development of a society by looking at the women folk and the children. If they are advanced, then the society is advanced. If they are backward, then the society is backward.
International Women's Day, bés boo xam ne dañ ko tànn cëralee ko jigéen ñi réew mi yëpp. Àdduna si yëpp dañ ko dee celebrate at bu nekk.
ok jërëjëf comme que yow sa liggéey bi family planning la te pare yaa ngi liggéey ak jigéen ñi dama bëgg nga wax ñu tuuti family planning ak jigéen ñi.
Family planning ak jigéen ñi dañ gis ne cëri jigéen la pour ñu bokk family planning. Bu njëkk ba boo naan family planning ñu naan ñu pour ñu amul jëkkër la, pour xale yi nga xam ne bëgguñ te am doom wala ñu ragal a jur. waaye léegi dem nañ ba gis ne family planning ci wérgu yarami jigéen ci la bokk, ndik te ñooy biir ñooy wasin te ñooy am doom. tax na ba family planning ematut ti jël garab rek pour aar biir ci waxtu bi nga ko bëggutee, waaye dem na ci dimbale jigéen yi wéruti mooy ñi biir ñoo bokk si fanoos. comme li lopitaan di def rek la family planning di def, di nga gis ne am nañ pour toppatoo xale yi comme bu mu juddoo ba ba ñu am juróomi at yëpp dañ leen di toppatoo. dañ faa opéré jigéen ñi, dañ leen di faj foofu leen ñi feebar dañ faa dem ñu faj. ndik am nañ docteur, am na lab, am na théâtre, am na labour ward, ba pare am na clinique bi ci boppam ak fi ñu gisee xale yi. so family planning amul rek ci jël garab naan aar biir ci waxtu ba nga ko bëggutee, waaye passé na loolu. dañoo dimbale tamit jigéen ñi nga xam ne dañ am teexati jur doom pour ñu mun leen a dimbale pour ñu mun a am doom balaa seen waxtu jur doom di passé. yëpp family planning na nga koo def.
ase kano sani tanam de mo fa me nyemo wano mbu wanu newo munu jobe mate be jame wan ku jembe rege matiwa kone funa ka fenye ku seka kati mo fa mulam bano bari ban kom e juwe wali e boba fuko mama matiwa ko jojo ku mate ku seka de ronge ta nyilaw be aw be ka balunde anyi aw ni ke fuke fole refureta woto wakam man ku rungen furi ma fu nyamana wayno man wala ko se ka ubaja e juwe yole la nungo na manja bun ware na uja eno mo e juwe e la ko du ola manje niken akena manjit ma pango na kam kana mola malango na baje ju wodo funa ka fe furi njabe karu ke na kolifo ano sanango na mat waje be rege du ku jam mga kada mati man wara mu roka e no disini la sola mun baja e juwe yole la manje ubayta ja e juwe broka le bu ngolem bukan e juwe mbejo manchitim broka bu ngolem bukan woto funa ka fe funa fan manje fo baje fuko mamak anu kurma ka je be rege to panku baj fuko mamak bedula woto mbi jupula tu manje ngona jiyente nora waje be kan na fa la be kajo
bi mo musul la lungolete International Women's Day mfanansi duman din soto non si min fo jeba on tela do ko telenta musul ni din non la jata ken yalla jat min Minister of Health koto oto misi min fo no je wolom musol ni dinun la jata kende ya mo be nyanta katala kaje ko sembentu ya ka ko so sembole saje dinun li musol la jata kende ya si sabatino nyame ka tum banku ni bala fanko jubela ni bala ala progress jibela e ka jibe dinul li musul la jata kende yalla nin dinul li musul la jata kende ya na sita dron o banko e ka jele ko ala nyaato ta mantara ta ka nyanta ta la nyame wuto nyanta jela ko nga musul ni dinul la jata kende ya sabatindi e sajim fanal sibula banko ko non ya lonko ila fanko nsafo no ko asabatita le ka to ila dinul ni musul la jata kende ya sabatita
okay bawo nyina ye kuma kan on min lande iko ka fitinol bang musol to bitum ka fitinol bang musoto wol ni jata kende atatale ba
hanin jata kende atatale kende ke katum muso jannibe sawarla no pour ka ku ke satara fitinate kan ila futu bundala fitinate kan ila doku bundala fitinate kan ini signol tema katunim fitinote kan doron ila jata kende asa sabatinole bad nim fitino be kan jata kende nyine fuko momo la jata kende nyanta sabatilale ila mental status anyanta sabatilale ila physical status anyanta sabatila woto nim fitino be kan a fitino fa a mental fitino le be kan ban fo a physical fitino le be kan ban abajilale ko ila jata kende ya ate sabatila no woto nyanta ajilale ko musol ni dindingol ila jata kende ya sabatita ka je ko fitino min be kan ay boy kan isaji la jata kende ya sabatino
madame Touré do safo ko musol be mun nyini kan
musol be min nyini kan amansiya nsafu musul alay musul aya bele dila fa banta akamunta dorong lodu lalle manta anyanta tala nyame wala tina musul be fiti kan banni wonte Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ay lodu la min di musula amodi mola ay hormo min di musula amodi mol woto ningo hormol nim bunyal men ala tala ya di musula nuwol sabatita no to mbinu musul la nyin diamu ata siyala ata kela bar wolle bote noto wala tina musul be wulla pour ala tala yo min dila ilafta bondi lebulu ilafta wolle mur kan wala tina musul wulate be diamu
madame Touré en sila fi ekol ya ku do man ding fo min beden ni musol la jata kende am ba on tol musol tubabul ka fo mi di silent syndrome wo yembatandile courant fele sa so to tara de ngaka lafta si do man ding fo molye courant wol min yalon ko aka musol so to mi an ko manyen na de la fe nyantale finte ta jata kende am molya
kurangol min ka musol sotondi be deri nga kan asiyatale komi yafa nyame culture of silence sako africa musol yen kulule pour nganda mara yen kulule pour kana diam e ka musoje asijata kende ya bata soto ala futu bundala